This is a video on Pythagoras, missing sides, and we're going to look at 4 things. What is it? What do we need to know? How to do it? And some application questions. The very first thing is, what is it? It really is just a way to measure or find missing sides when you're given 2 out of 3 things. And this only works in right angle triangle. So obviously looking at a triangle, the 3 things are the 3 sides. And what do we need to know? Well, this formula right here. You're given long, middle, and short, and you're given it in terms of their distance. So this formula always works. The long distance square is equal to middle distance square plus the short distance square. Your teachers might have taught you a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Yeah, that works as well too, but I just figured with long, middle, short, you clearly could tell which was which. So how do we do it? Now let's say we're given these 2 examples. For the very first one, we have our short and our middle, and we need to find our long one. Mind you, in a right angle triangle, 90 degrees here, anything that's opposite to it will always be the longest. So same thing for here, 90 degrees, always be longest. So this one we're given short and middle, whereas this one we're given the long and the middle. Here are the answers. So we apply this formula, long squared equals medium squared plus 5 squared, or short squared. In this case, long squared is 144 plus 25. If I add together, I get 169. But you know that this can't be 169. So you got to do the opposite of square, which is square root, and you get the long to be 13 centimeters. For here, it's slightly different. You were given the long one, so we do here 10 squared equals to be the middle squared, 8 squared, plus short squared. So we do all that calculation, we get 100 equals 64 plus short squared. And for here, we need to find out what do I need to add to 64 to get to 100. Obviously, we take 100, take away 64, we get 36. And again, the last example, we square root it, and we get the short side as 6 centimeters, or in this case, 6 meters. Okay, here's some application questions. Pause it if you'd like to have a go. Okay, so here are the answers. The longest side of a right angle triangle is 30 centimeters, and the shortest side is 10 centimeters. What is the length of the middle side? So using the formula, L squared equals m squared plus s squared, we're going to get this. So 30 squared is 900, 10 squared is 100. We subtract that, and we square root it, we get 28.3, and that's our middle. For the next one, it's more of an application question. A 36-foot ladder is leaning against the side of a building, and is positioned such that the base of the ladder is 21. So this is 36, this is 21. Realistically, they're asking you, what is the height? So we apply the same exact formula, 36 squared, 21 squared, we subtract that, and we square root it. We get our answer as 29.2 foot. Okay, for this one, you might not recognize it on first glance, but if you actually draw it out, you can quickly realize that it really is just Pythagoras. So from here and here, you're given that the units are going to be -2 and 5, 2 and -4. So extend this line, you can clearly see that, oh, so this will be -2 and -4, and the unit's going to be 4 up and 5 up to make 9. And for here, from -2 to 2 is 2 sides and 2 sides to make 4. So you apply the same exact idea, 9 squared, 4 squared, add them together, and then you square root it. We're going to get 9.84 units. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any question at all, please leave some comments. Thank you.